Hi, Wellesley here from My-Island-Jamaica.com. I'm so excited that you found my Patreon page and is interested in joining my closest community of Jamaica-loving patrons. I believe in Jamaica. I believe that despite our challenges, we are still the jewel of the Caribbean. Our food, our culture, our natural attractions, and above all, our people stand out. Since 2007, I've been sharing engaging and insightful content about my country, and nothing gives me greater joy. Well, thanks to Patreon, I'm amplifying the experience by creating this close-knit community group that allows us to connect in an even more engaging way. But what's Patreon, you ask? Well, Patreon is a highly reputable membership platform. I've been around for at least 6 years. They allow persons like you who really appreciate my work to, for a small contribution, join my exclusive community group and enjoy some really good member benefits. But what are those, you ask? The list is lengthy. They're actually below. It's a long list, but I'm just going to call out a few. I have them written here. Number 1, premium daily content via our Revolutionary Lens app. Privileged access to my locked community group where we interact daily and chat, yes. Private monthly live stream with other like-minded community members. Special recognition on my videos as well as shout out during live streams. Exclusive member discounts on merchandise when they become available, and of course, more time with me. No one can change the world. It only happens when a community of like-minded people comes together to share their gifts, their talents, and their time for something, towards something that they believe in. I believe in Jamaica. I believe that you believe in Jamaica. And so I invite you to become a bigger part of my life and my vision for Jamaica. If you're watching me on Patreon, below to my left is a list of the reward tiers. Just scroll down and select the one that best suits you. If you're watching me outside of Patreon, perhaps on YouTube Live or directly, go to patreon.com/My-Island-Jamaica and look for the Become a Patron button. I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Thank you.